Hey gorgeous people, and welcome back to a brand new video, or hello. Hi if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fiona and it's so lovely to meet you. So today we have another episode of the Glow Up Diaries. So today's video is all about how to be a magnetic energy match for your desires. How to be so magnetic, not just to your desires as well, but to everyone around you. How to be that magnetic, drawing in energy that's so glowed up, so you're pushing out this desirable energy, and that's not only attracting people who are meant to be helping you in your journey of your goals, but also it just spreads that positive energy. Basically, how to be so magnetic that you're not only manifesting your desires but being confident in doing so. So if you're interested in a 3-step guide in how to work on yourself, I promised you that deep dive into working on yourself, then please keep on watching, because today's video is going to be all about that. How to work on your self-image, how to work on your self-concept, and be that magnetic energy. Now, before we get on into the 3-step guide, this part of the video is kindly in collaboration with Ana Luisa, and it's talking about my past pieces of them. I have worked with Ana Luisa a couple times on my YouTube channel and I'm so grateful. They are an amazing brand. If you haven't heard of Ana Luisa before, they do jewellery from necklaces, rings, bracelets, and they bridge the gap between quality, sustainability and timeless pieces that are conscious to the environment and will last you a long duration of time. They have actually upped their warranty from 1 year to 2 years as well. I love their pieces. I wear my earrings every single day. Every single day I wear these earrings so many times, and they're my favourite pieces. So in at the minute I currently have the Ray Mother of Pearl and the Harp earrings. I will try and find a close-up for you, but I always wear these every single day. These are my favourite stud earrings. I also have their Endless Hoop earrings in the cutest pouch. I love their pouches. Their packaging is so amazing as well, because these pouches last you a very long time, easy to move your jewellery around in. So these ones I've actually had for 7 months, including the ones that I have in my ears right now. These are the gorgeous hoop earrings, and it comes in the magnetic pouch. So if you're interested in Ana Luisa jewellery and want to find out more about them and how to keep your jewellery long lasting, how to take care of your jewellery, then you can find everything on their website, and you can also use my code FionaJ20 to get yourself 20% off their amazing pieces. I would highly recommend. I adore this brand. Now let's get into this video. So let's go on into how to be magnetic and attract everything with this confident energy, and the 3 steps on how to achieve that. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail to get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Okay, so you want to be magnetic and you want to manifest your desires and be confident at the same time. Here are my 3 steps in how to be that magnetic energy, and also if you wait until the end, I have some affirmations / ask-formations. Oh my god, if you haven't heard of ask-formations, they are next level to affirmations. So this is all about self-concept and inner work. So this is that deep dive that you need to do the inner work first to be a magnetic match, to then be in alignment with your goals. So how you show up in all areas of your life means how aligned you are to the goals, to then be inspired, take the action and go do the goal or desire. So this really is a 3-step guide in how to work on yourself, how to love yourself. And if you're here for that, then please make sure to like this video at the end. So step 1 is noticing your vibration. How are you feeling today? Honestly, let me know how you are feeling today. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good do you feel? And answer that honestly. Are you feeling happy, sad? On a scale of 1 to 10, how are you feeling right now, and what is that based off? Is that based off your external looks? Is that based off someone's opinion? Is that based off something that's happened in the past? How are you feeling right now? What energy are you carrying around with you? Notice that vibration on you right now. All to do with my episode 1 as well. Let go of any vibration that isn't serving you right now and start showing up in your highest vibration. Now, what does that mean in different areas of your life? Does that mean doing your hair in the morning? Does that mean doing your makeup in the morning? Does that mean putting on a glam outfit, putting on your favorite jewelry, going for a workout? Does that mean doing a little bit of journaling? Does that mean doing your affirmations? Find your happiness. Do what makes you happy and be on that vibrational match to your desire. If you feel better, you're going to be more magnetically drawn to as a person, so other people are going to be drawn to you with your energy, with your confidence. People are going to be drawn to you, but not only people, your desires. You're going to be more inspired to look at a course you're doing. You're going to be more inspired to make some Instagram content. You're going to be more inspired to show love to the people that come into your business. You're going to be more inspired to show love to your loved ones. Yada yada yada. You're going to feel amazing just by doing these little things in your life. Going on for that hot girl walk, going on a little date with yourself, going to B&M, going to HomeSense. Yes, that's me. Doing things that make you feel good. Do the things that make you feel in your vibrational highest and happiest moment. That is step 1. Do the things that make you feel happy. Follow your happiness first. So step 2. This is a big one. This is planting the seeds in your conscious and subconscious mind. You are using affirmations and askfirmations, which is my new favorite, to change your mind's perspective on your self-concept and your self-image, because you want to do the inner work first before putting all these actions into play. For example, if you want to work on your confidence, you're not very confident at the minute and you want to start showing up as that confident person, then I dare you to start saying to yourself every single morning and evening, in the morning as soon as you wake up, look straight into the mirror and say, I am confident, I am confident, I am confident. And say that 3 times. In the evening, right before you go to bed, where your mind is most impressionable, I'm confident, I'm confident, I am confident. And say it with meaning. And even if you're in that circumstance before you're going to walk into the room and you're feeling a bit nervous, I'm confident, I'm confident, I'm confident. Why am I so confident? Why am I so confident? Why am I so confident? And your whole energy and magnetic field changes just by saying, I'm confident 3 times. Really do try it. And this is what I mean by start planting the seeds in your conscious and subconscious mind. And I can go into a whole episode on this. I really could, because it's my favourite topic. But really, if you want to change any area of your life, say it's your image, you need to start planting those seeds. And even if you don't believe it at first, because your conscious mind will be the mind that you think with on a daily basis, will be the one to challenge that and go, no you're not, no you're not, no you're not. It's the subconscious mind that is the most impressionable. Right before you go to bed, you have the least amount of resistance to that affirmation, to that askfirmation. So step 2, working on your belief systems. Really challenge them. Start planting the seeds. Start using those words of affirmations to change who you are, to change how you feel about yourself, and others will see the difference in yourself just by telling you who you are. Others will start treating you differently. Work on your belief systems. And step 3 is routine of it all. So you're going to be working your belief system, you're going to be changing and viewing your vibration on a daily basis. Am I happy right now? Am I sad right now? What's going to make me feel the most happiness? Follow your happiness. Change your belief systems and then work on the routine of it all. So step 3, working on the routine. In the AM, what are you doing in the AM? Are you doing your affirmations? Are you working on your self-concept? Are you listening to a podcast? What's making you that vibrational and magnetic match to your goals? What's pushing you towards that goal? In the PM, is it planning out your day ahead for the next day? What are you going to do? Are you going to film your video? You're going to film your content for Instagram, when you're going to go for a workout, is doing the things that will be in alignment to who you are. So I'm going to share with you some of my affirmations and askfirmations now. So I hope you write these down, get a pen and paper, or just write them down on your phone. So here we go. Why am I so magnetic? I know I'm on the right path to my manifestations becoming a reality. I am powerful and I am limitless. I am my #1 priority. Why is manifesting my desires so easy for me? Why does everyone love me, support me, and want to see me succeed? Why am I so successful? I do not chase, I attract. I am a money magnet, and money flows to me freely, endlessly, and in avalanches of abundance. I am a money magnet. So these are some of my favourite affirmations. I haven't included all areas but these are just some that come off the top of my head that are my favourites. So if you enjoyed this 3-step video and my affirmations, then please let me know down below. It really means a lot to me that you made it this far. Please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more episodes of the Glow Up Diaries. I'm really excited to bring you one of these every single week or every other week, depending when they go up. They're always at a magnetic match of how I feel, so I put them up when I feel that I want to share with you some tips and guidance. So please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you very soon. Bye. I'm gonna make it.